at what stage a business should invest in softwares to manage their workflow?
So if you're a very small business, like let's say one or two people, mostly just the founders and a couple of other people, then you can very well work effectively with Google Sheets and spreadsheets because it's a very small team. But as your team expands, as you have more people who are going to be stakeholders in the work, more people who need to collaborate, more people who might need to have different ways of using the software, that's when you need a professional software to manage the workflows. So as a rule of thumb, if you look at any business function, so let's say if you look at marketing or sales or operations, any business function, if you have more than 5 people in that business function, you should definitely invest in having a professional software. If you just use spreadsheets like Google Sheets or Excel, you are running into productivity and efficiency problems even if you're not aware of it. Now, if you have 3 people, at 3 people is when you can consider it. Okay, so above 5 people, you should definitely invest in some kind of a professional software, and above 3 people, you can consider using a professional software. If you're and this is, I'm saying, per function. So if you have more than 5 people who are going to be using the certain tool, then you need a professional software solution. But if you have just 1 or 2 people, then you can just work with the Google Sheets and the Excel.
Okay, so how much should a business invest in this?
Okay, so the global metrics for IT spend are about 3 to 5% of the revenue is spent on IT. Those are the global metrics. So about 3 to 5% of the top line or of the turnover or the revenue is spent on IT spend. This also includes hardware, and it will also include things like the laptops and the internet, and it also includes the software. So for SMBs, what I suggest is spend about 10 to 20% per of the team member's salary. Spend about 10 to 20% of the team member's salary on IT systems, which is typically mostly the software, which will help increase their efficiency and productivity. A lot of the times what you will find is that just spending 10% on software helps the team member become 100% more productive, because they are able to save time or they are able to do things much more efficiently. So that is what I would suggest as a rule of thumb.
Okay, so what are the main softwares that SMBs should have?
So the softwares that a SMB needs or any business needs are based on the key functions and the key activities that you're doing in those functions. And let me remind you, the key functions in any business are marketing, sales, operations, HR, accounting, legal, and management. Okay, so among these, the most core functions are the marketing, sales, and operations. So in marketing, the type of softwares that are used by marketing teams is called marketing automation softwares. So marketing automation softwares are the kind of softwares that are used by marketing teams. Thus, in the sales teams typically use a CRM software or a sales automation software. And the operations varies drastically by every industry. So the operations kind of software are based on the type of industry, the type of work you do. But among the operations software, what some of the well-known software categories are the ERP and the project manager.
Okay, so you just shared about marketing automation software. What exactly it is?
So marketing automation software is the category of software that helps to automate marketing activities and tasks. So for example, let's say email marketing. So email marketing software, I'm sure you might be familiar with email marketing software. You might even be doing it in your organization. An example of a email marketing software is MailChimp. So email marketing software is the software that sends your marketing emails in bulk to hundreds and thousands of people in one go at the click of a button. So, email marketing software is an example of marketing automation software. Few other examples are chatbots. So, for example, there are nowadays people, businesses have chatbots on their websites to interact with with the visitors on the website. Chatbots are another example of the marketing automation software. Then a lot of businesses I work with, they use social media tools. For example, they use tools to automate social media posting or to create social media posts. So those also are examples of marketing
Marketing.
automation software.
So, what kind of businesses need marketing automation software?
So any business that does digital marketing, and if you do digital marketing in a serious way, then you should definitely consider using the marketing automation softwares, because these marketing automation softwares are very crucial to the success and efficiency of a marketing team. So in fact, a modern digital marketer relies on the marketing automation software and will not be able to do their uh, work, and will not be able to get the results that you expect from them without the support of these marketing automation tools. So, if you I would say, if you do any kind of digital marketing, even if you have just one person in the digital marketing team, you should be using some kinds of marketing automation tools.
Okay. So, what are the benefit that businesses get after using these kind of software?
So the first benefit and the most important benefit is that your digital marketing will actually be able to produce the results that you need. Because without these marketing automation tools, it just that's you might be spending a lot of energy, spinning a lot of wheels, but may not be able to get the results that you need. Then the result is the productivity and efficiency of the team itself. So for example, if you are into email marketing, and if you can send a email to 1,000 people in one click, that is so much of increase in productivity and efficiency. If you are into SEO, and if you can use a marketing automation tool to analyze the SEO or improve the SEO of a page, or if you're into content marketing, and if you can use these marketing automation tools to review the content and suggest the edits, all these are big productivity and efficiency benefits to the digital marketing team.
Okay. Can you list some few of the software basics?
So, for example, one big category is the email marketing. In email marketing, there are many softwares like Mailchimp is there, Zoho Campaigns is there, MailSend is there. There are many tools like that. Another category of the marketing automation softwares is the chatbots, and nowadays there are many chatbots, especially powered with the AI technology. Then another area is the WhatsApp marketing. So WhatsApp marketing has become very important in the last 2 or 3 years, and there are several WhatsApp marketing software solutions like Vati and Interact and AI Sense, like that.